Do you want to have firm, round and super defined glutes in 2025? So get ready, because today I'm going to show you the 5 best exercises to get an incredible butt quickly and efficiently. And the best part, you don't need a gym and you can do it in the comfort of your own home. But be careful, because number 3 is the most powerful and few people know it. Stay until the end and tell me in the comments which one you're going to try first. Now, let's go to training. Our first exercise starts off with a bang, the Bulgarian squat. It activates all the gluteal muscles and improves balance. To do this, place one foot on a bench or chair behind you, slowly squat down until your back knee almost touches the floor, and then return to the starting position. The slower you go, the more muscle activation you have. Do 10 to 12 reps on each leg and feel the difference. The second exercise is one of the most effective for lifting your butt, the pelvic lift with load. Lie on the floor, bend your knees and support your feet. Now, place a weight on your hip. Raise your glutes as much as possible, contracting them well and hold for 2 seconds at the top before lowering. This exercise deeply activates the glutes and enhances results. Do 15 repetitions and notice the progress. Now we come to the most powerful exercise for perfect glutes, the stiff. If you want a perky, defined butt, this is the secret. Stand upright, hold a weight or water bottle. Keep your back straight and lean your torso forward, slowly lowering yourself until you feel a stretch in the back muscles of your legs. Then, return to the starting position, contracting your glutes well. Do 12 reps and feel maximum activation. If you want to shape your glutes, the band back kick is a must. Place a resistance band above your knees, stand up straight and rest your hands on a wall for balance. Now, kick one leg back without leaning your torso forward, focusing completely on your glutes. Do 15 reps on each leg and see the results. The last exercise is a classic for activating the glutes, the hip abduction. Lie on your side, keep your legs extended and raise your top leg without rotating your hips. To increase the intensity, use a resistance band. Do 15 reps on each leg and notice how your butt becomes firmer. Now that you know the 5 best exercises for perfect glutes in 2025, it's time to put them into practice. Remember, consistency is key. Choose at least 3 of these exercises to do every day and combine them with a balanced diet to see even faster results. If you liked this workout, leave a like, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Tell me in the comments which of these exercises was your favorite. See you at the next training session. Peach Fire.